Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to consume RC L-carnitine. First, determine your ideal daily dosage, which commonly ranges from 500 milligrams to 2 grams. It is always wise to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. Also, consider your fitness goals and current dietary habits when deciding on the most effective dose for you. For optimal results, aim to take your L-carnitine 30 to 60 minutes before your workout session. If you are using a liquid form, simply mix it with water or your favorite juice for easy and quick consumption. For those preferring capsules, swallow them with a full glass of water. This timing helps maximize its effectiveness during exercise. To enhance absorption into your muscles, consume L-carnitine alongside carbohydrates. However, it is best to avoid taking it with high-fat meals, as this can actually hinder its absorption and reduce its effectiveness. For potential synergistic benefits, you might consider combining your L-carnitine intake with omega-3 fatty acids, supporting overall health and performance. Consistency is truly key when consuming L-carnitine. Maintain a consistent daily intake for at least several weeks to begin seeing noticeable benefits. Furthermore, ensure you drink plenty of water throughout your day to support overall hydration and bodily functions. Always monitor your body's unique response and feel free to adjust your dosage if necessary, under professional guidance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.